Hi and welcome to another episode of the Pint Podcast. We have a couple of special guests today, and I'm just gonna let them introduce themselves. Let's go, boys.
We are Skull Crushers. This is our first time on the Pint Podcast, and we're very excited to be here.
Yes.
First and the last time.
Maybe not.
Episode 2, anybody wants 50k likes?
50k likes.
50k likes. इतना engagement भी नहीं मिलता
You
है.
guys were supposed to do your routine like
Oh shit.
5 seconds
We
ago.
forgot.
From the build-up.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
Just a snippet
बीच में
of
कहाँ
it.
से हो गया?
So we have the amazing Skull Crushers today, and this is Karma, and we got
PVRTH बोलेगा.
मेरे को पता है तेरे रील से ना वो PVRT poverty मेरे को वो याद like I can't get over that name now.
गाजियाबाद.
गाजियाबाद beatbox battle. गाजियाबाद beatbox battle टॉप 11 में हम.
किसने किया था? कमेंट किया था किसी ने?
नहीं उसने वीडियो बना
इसने
था.
खुद वीडियो बनाई थी.
Shit यार. I was twerking in that
भाई
video.
गाजियाबाद बीटबॉक्स कम्युनिटी क्या कर रही है आजकल?
3 लोग.
मैं यूं पूरा कम्युनिटी.
ये रही कम्युनिटी.
3 लोग.
आज पूरी कम्युनिटी.
There's only 3 people in that community. In that community? Oh.
By fun fact about poverty, he can eat 2 kilograms of chicken.
He randomly shared that fact with us. It was really
That
nice.
might be even less for me.
Yeah,
ओहो,
man.
sexy talk हो रहा है ASMR.
हाँ, ये सवाल नहीं करना unless you edited that. That's another
Cock
thing.
eater. सुनाई दे.
मैंने भी नहीं सुना.
कॉक ईटर.
Oh, वो मैंने भी नहीं सुना है. थोड़ी तो laughing at something else.
2 kgs of cocks.
हम वैसे भी मोनेटाइज नहीं है. जो तू ये बोल के और हमारा डाउनग्रेड कर रहा
कल कर से पहले लेंगे. If it gets big views, we'll give you, bro.
Mess with me once and I'll eat you for dinner.
Oh, गलत बीट किया मैंने.
नहीं.
गलत बीट कर लिया. Oh shit.
Just their cock.
Chicken dinner.
सिर्फ कॉक जोक्स मार रहे हो.
कुछ तो लगा के आया आज ये.
Okay.
है. तुम रहने दो.
संतरी लगा के आया.
भाई कोई मानेगा कि ये एक बीटबॉक्स पॉडकास्ट
हाँ ये भी आता है. थोड़ा बहुत.
कभी कभी ये होता है इसमें.
लिटरली हम हर जोक में वो पिटुम कर सकते हैं.
आज हम करेंगे.
Visual of
भाई
cock.
कोई तो म्यूजिक पार्ट ने सुनाया था जो बिल्कुल ही मतलब सैक्स वूक्स म्यूजिक था आज तो.
ओ हाँ.
Oh.
ये तुम तीनों ने अकेले में क्यों सुना था और हमें क्यों नहीं सुनाया?
कुछ तो प्राइवेट हो रहा था उसका.
इसने बोला था दिस इज हैवी मेटल. बट फन. तो भाई हाउ व्हाट्स अप गाइस?
What's
Skull
up, bro?
Crushers, tell us about yourselves guys.
So basically, I will start.
Yes.
We first met in DBC 2022.
What is DVC you ask?
Oh,
It is the Derby
Championship.
Community.
There's a website now.
चैंपियनशिप नहीं कम्युनिटी
तक आ
भाई.
जाएगी.
नहीं चैंपियनशिप में हम मिले थे लेकिन
I'll mute that
कम्युनिटी
shit.
ऑब्वियसली. तो it happened in Delhi Art
Yeah.
and
2 years ago.
2 years ago 2022 में.
Wait, that Roger
Roger 2.0 where
That's when you guys met.
when
Yes,
Bhargav
that was
won
the, for the
7 to
first
Smoke.
time that we met.
अच्छा. Oh.
तो ज्यादा
Yes.
टाइम नहीं हुआ.
हाँ,
7 or 8
he
years,
performed
yeah.
that day.
नाइस. हाँ.
Hmm.
हाँ तो 2 years अब कंप्लीट हो गए क्योंकि it happened in what October.
Yeah.
हाँ, something
About.
like that.
तो हम तब मिले थे एंड पहली बार इससे और भार्गव से मिला था मैं एंड पता नहीं कुछ तो योर मॉम जोक्स मार रहा था ये.
No.
Or
I had this
something.
catchphrase back in
Oh, हाँ,
2022.
smash.
I used to say smash a lot.
Oh.
Whenever something good happened, smash.
Smash.
और मैं
क्या
every
achievement
time
करी? Smash.
every time I said it, he would look back at me हंसते हुए like this.
हाँ.
And so from there friendship blew.
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा.
तो
He came up to us
You
after
said
the thing.
2022 as if it's like fucking 20 years ago.
It feels like it, dude.
honestly, yeah, it does feel like a long time
There's that
period,
little Nagaland place right next to the stage, no?
हाँ.
After DBC finished up, me and Bhargav went there to eat, and ये बहन को सारा खाना खा लिया हमारा. He ate all of it.
मुझे कोल्ड हो रहा था उस
Fucking
दिन.
fat ass ate
तो
all our
मैंने
food.
2 सूप्स मंगाए, दोनों मैं चक कर गया. कह रहे अब हम क्या पिए, तो ऐसे हमारी दोस्ती
Chili
बनी.
डाल के he drank it all.
Damn,
पूरा
bro.
नागालैंड खा गया.
Sorry,
Yeah, that's
coffee.
how we became friends. We kept in contact after that, and then he came to my house once, and we made our.
भागा भी सारा खाना खा गया.
Yeah, he
Sun
came to
में
my
on
house and we
fire.
did.
1 year में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखाऊंगा.
We made our IBC wildcard when he came over to my house the first time, because then
Oh, IBC, that happened.
IBC, yeah. We had to make the wildcard, no? That happened.
Raghavi.
Anyway,
Okay.
yeah. So we thought we were the shit after we made that
हाँ.
wildcard. We were like, nobody's as good as this, and it's like the shittiest wildcard we've ever made right now.
हाँ.
It's
Wait,
so
that's-
bad.
that's-
And you
also when
live
you-
inside your own bubble.
That's also when you guys came up with the name Skull Crushers.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we had to
that
come.
was the
We
first-
came. We came.
yeah.
So the way we came up with that is we both have really huge thighs.
Yeah.
Thick thighs save life.
Yeah. And so there was the whole trend of crushing people's skulls and stuff with their thighs and
Yeah.
stuff.
So
एक
how-
meme template
Where
चल
was
रहा
that
था तब.
trend when? Where was I?
You're old, shush. Anyway,
So
Yeah.
how is it related to your beatbox वैसे?
it's
Skull
not.
Crushers
It's not
Skull
related.
Crushers,
It's not related
yeah, not
at
at all
all. बस
related.
नाम बहुत sexy
But
लगा. And we were
if
like,
we want to come up with something, we make skull crushing beats, which is very cringe, but
Wow.
I don't know.
I don't know this guy. I don't know this guy.
That's
Very
why I said
nice.
if we come up with something.
We'll come up with something. What are you, 7th grade? Gee. Bro's 5 years old.
But भाई
No, when you told me your age, I felt like मतलब
We're like a decade younger than all of
हाँ
you.
bro, decade.
I'm the youngest in this room right now.
He just turned 20.
Yeah, I just turned 20 like a
Fucking
month ago.
baby.
Oh,
Or
happy
two,
birthday.
don't.
he is the youngest.
That was
in the
3
room.
months ago.
Nice
Oh,
try,
yeah.
Didi.
Or do you know one of Sashi's posts just has all of those written on there? Because he kept one as a sponsored post and
Oh,
all of them
yeah.
have nice
Oh,
try
shit.
Diddy on it. It's so funny. It's the one with the most views also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why everybody keeps commenting. Nice
I don't
try,
know
Didi.
what that means. What does it mean? It's like
You don't know?
Nice try.
only on sponsored
अरे,
post पे nice try Diddy लिखा है.
You know who's Diddy?
And P Diddy पता है.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what does that have to do with sponsored post?
Next question.
The next question. Yeah.
We shall not
Off
talk
topic.
about that.
Off
Actually,
topic.
you guys are the right age to know.
Oh shit.
अच्छा नहीं यार like I just wanted to ask कि मतलब यार 2 साल हुए तुम्हें like were there any ups and downs तुम्हारे के बीच में क्योंकि तुम जब मिले थे
हमारे बीच में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. People thought we were having beef. I don't know for what
Oh
reason.
yeah.
Yeah.
When was
I'll
that?
tell the.
Yeah, that was the whole thing.
तो अभी 2024 में स्टार्टिंग में अप्रैल में आई थिंक NDIM की बैटल हुई थी. तो मेरा और कर्मा का फाइनल्स था. तो वी ट्रैश टॉक्ड अ लॉट इन द
Oh,
फाइनल्स. आई सेड समथिंग कि तू 10 साल से बीट बॉक्स कर रहा है, अभी तक हमने ओरिजिनल रूटीन्स नहीं बना पाया while battling him. इसने बोला आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड अ टैग टीम पार्टनर एनीमोर, ऐसे करके.
oh damn
तो ये थोड़ा बीफी सिचुएशन हो गया था अकॉर्डिंग टू पीपल.
According to people, मेरे को बहुत funny लगा. We thought it was hilarious.
हमारे बीच में कुछ गलत नहीं था, बट पीपल assumed. तो that is the only thing that happened between us.
Yeah.
But that was
बाकी
like
तो-
outside perception.
Yeah,
no?
हमारे-
We knew
हमने
it
कुछ
was
नहीं
nothing.
किया.
हाँ, I think हमारा
Nothing
better ही
happened.
हुआ है अभी तक bond whatever. हमारा connection has gotten deeper and better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
That's what she said.
You have to say, why did you say it like that? Our connection has gotten
जानबूझ के
deeper.
बोला मैंने.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
यार
Okay. So you've been beatboxing since when now?
2014.
14.
Mm.
That's
And
a long
you?
time.
2020.
Yeah.
So मेरे
He's
से भी
new
पहले से
school.
कर रहा है।
Huh.
I'm very new.
I was around when MTS dropped. I was around when like Dilo dropped his 18-year-old fucking not wild
Whoever
card,
is
sorry.
editing this, drop the MTS drop, right?
Your thoughts, bro. मैं हूँ editor. मेरे साथ बात कर लो.
Okay. So you saw the. Is that how you got inspired? To
No.
beatbox? Like,
I watched Joseph Pulpo first, and then I watched Skiller versus LM. That's pretty much how most people got into it. But that was a long time ago. I actually, it's very cringe the way I started beatboxing. It was 2013 December something. I was watching beatbox videos, but after I watched Skiller versus LM, I was like, चलो New Year's resolution के लिए मैं beatbox चालू करूँगा. So January 1st, I properly started training. So that's whenever New Year's pops around, that's when I celebrate my.
By the way, when we say training, it's not like we go to some beatbox school.
We do it ourselves. अपने आप बैठ के कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ के.
I think that's common for every one of us कि YouTube
Yeah.
में बस videos के सामने बैठ के अच्छा
Definitely.
Yeah, no one has the time to pay $50 an hour with Vocoder.
Yeah.
Shout out Vocoder.
I love you, Anthony.
So so that's what like it's a pattern that we've seen कि मतलब जो भी whoever has come here मतलब there are popular videos like Skiller versus Allen
Yeah.
or like Tom Thumb का video.
There was
Those
actually
are one of those gateway videos.
there was
where-
actually another
Napalm versus
more underrated beatboxer. His name was Ozelis.
Oh yeah.
He used to he constantly spammed
drop
this bass.
Ozelis is drop right.
Yeah. He used to do that.
Hi, I'm Optimus Prime.
I don't know.
Optimus Prime.
Yeah.
Can-
So it was Ozelis and it was this other guy. I forgot what his name was, but they were both pretty prominent throughout the online scene, including somebody. There was another Discord guy. I also forgot what his name was, but there was mostly just Discord groups and all that, and people like Sid FX and all that were making tutorials. So I watched all of those, including Korean FX. I was around when Korean FX was active.
Hey,
So
that's my idol.
yeah. Yeah.
Korean effects is.
Yeah, he looks just like me. Anyway. Yeah. So
You wish.
I was around when all of that stuff was happening. So I'm not too new to everything.
Orthobox भी तो उसी टाइम का है.
I don't know that
Orthobox.
guy.
Yeah, Orthobox पता है मेरे को.
I think everybody.
I
had
know much older
different-
ones like X-Flaws and all that, and all these older guys who use TeamSpeak. The guys who use
TeamSpeak,
TeamSpeak
yeah,
before we
TeamSpeak,
transitioned to
yeah.
Discord.
Yeah, that's true. And you?
But yeah.
What was your
Basically, मेरा
gateway
वो
video.
different था approach. So I had this school friend. His name is Ishan. Shout out, man,
Oh,
for
yeah.
introducing me to beatbox. I love you so much. So basically,
Fuck you for introducing in the.
What are you?
वो basically गिटार बजाता था. 8th grade की बात है. So that was the first time I was friends with him because I was always interested in.
गुलाबी आँख.
नहीं, he was actually a very good guitarist, fingerstyle guitarist.
Finger style.
Honestly, just choose your words carefully because
I'll make them look
मैं
weird.
बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे.
I'll make them look weird. Zoom in करके
he's
बोलूँगा.
doing the edit, so he's gonna be
I'll
definitely
zoom
messing
into
around
your
with
face as you say that.
तो basically, तो वहाँ से मेरा म्यूजिक में एक्चुअली इंटरेस्ट जागा.
Uh-huh.
एंड 10th के एंड में मे बी लाइक राइट बिफोर प्री बोर्ड्स उसने मुझे नेपॉम का रोल लाइक दिस सुनाया. मैं एक बार उसके घर गया था. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा था. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा था क्योंकि उसने मुझे फोन के स्पीकर पे सुनाया था.
Wait,
phone speaker.
फोन स्पीकर पे
फिर भी?
सुनाया. नहीं अरे it was bad ना. मतलब फोन के स्पीकर से वो कह रहे भाई यहाँ पे बेस ड्रॉप हो रहा है, सुन आवाज ही नहीं आ
कौन
रही.
सा फोन? Nokia?
फिर मैं घर गया. फिर मैं घर वापस गया. देन आई सर्च्ड फॉर नेपॉम. मुझे रोल लाइक दिस में भूल गया था.
Napalm.
बट देन आई फाउंड बेस इलेक्ट्रो. आई वेंट क्रेजी लिसनिंग टू दैट. मुझे इतना मजा आया उसके बाद. एंड देन probably the first battle I was Dilo versus Collapse, and तब से I got into
GBV?
beatbox.
Holy shit, that was your first video? Wow.
GP was the first video.
मतलब
GBV
I
2018.
watched beatbox before that, जैसे Tom Thumb and all, but
Oh yeah, Tom
इतना
Thumb too.
mainstream scene के बारे में मुझे नहीं पता था, like SBX and all. और मैंने एक वो भी देखा था, Neil Lanes.
Wait, Neil what?
Neil Lanes.
The guy on Got Talent.
AGT वाला.
Oh, okay.
Got Talent.
5
वो वाला.
समझ गया. 5 sounds.
5 sounds. One single song.
भाई कितनी बारी हमको वो रील आया है 5 sounds वाली.
मेरे तो पापा भी भेज देते हैं.
हाँ वो पहले उसके रील्स बहुत भेजते थे नील के. भाई तू 5 साउंड्स एक साथ कर सकता है.
Can you do 5 sounds at once?
बस ये
और
वाली
उससे
need
पहले
करते
आई गेस एक और बंदा था, आई गेस जेनेसिस था जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया
yeah.
गॉट टैलेंट में था.
Yeah.
वो भी उसने भी सेम कुछ किया.
I don't remember that
okay.
video anymore.
I want to know, is it really 5 sounds at once though?
It's not. It's
It's
just
not-
in quick
it's not
succession.
It's not
Sound
at
once.
once.
It's not at
It's
once.
not
No,
layered.
no.
Yeah.
हाँ,
You wanna
तो
show
it's
it?
not. It's 4 notes.
Whoa! Wow!
Nice.
Nice.
See, this is not at once.
It's not advanced.
मतलब वो
Exactly.
break में डालता है
It's
ना.
not
But he does
advanced.
it clean. That's the
that's
big
khulasa.
difference. He's a lot cleaner with it. And
Neil exposed.
Neil exposed. It's not 5 sounds. It's just 5 sounds in quick succession.
That's our thumbnail.
Neil Lane's exposed. Thumbnail के लिए.
अच्छा बट लाइक द मेन रीजन हम इन दोनों को क्यों सुन रहे हैं, लाइक हु आर दे बेसिकली. तो लाइक बताओ यार, क्या तुम एक्चुअली क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट हो बीट बॉक्सिंग में, लाइक इन
I won't say we're important. I guess we're more influential than most.
yeah.
Because we've put out lots of content, specifically our GBB wildcard, the latest one, not the older
Skull
one.
Crushers का channel obviously description में and the title में guys can check them out.
You can,
on the
guys
channel.
can, yeah.
You guys can.
You guys can check
You guys,
them out.
you can, guys, yeah. Yeah, so we uploaded our recent GBB wildcard, and from there our international traction really got boosted because we got reactions from Japanese people. We got from France, I think. Lots of Germany, lots of people. I went to the Beatbox community Discord and got recognized. Like, oh my god, it's that guy from Skull Crushers, Karma, not the one from Germany.
There's another Karma.
Yeah, there is another one who is significantly better than me. He's I think he's East German champ or something.
East Coast, whatever.
East
Not
Coast?
not
Oh!
Coast. My bad.
Germany mein Coast.
East Coast.
My
Yeah,
bad.
he's the East German champ. And, there's a staggering difference between us. I don't win anything. He wins everything.
अच्छा बट व्हाट्स योर करंट रैंक अभी, मतलब जो GBB जितना भी वाइल्ड कार्ड.
In GBB, we were ranked 11th out of all the wildcards.
Bega.
They were only taking top 6, which was very sad because I thought it would be top 10 at least.
बजट बढ़ाओ यार सुस बीट बॉक्स अपना प्लीज.
I know they were not going to understand Hindi में बोला. So then,
Only why?
please,
थोड़ा सा
Please.
पैसा दे दो यार.
पैसा वैसा नहीं है क्या तुम्हारे पास?
oh my god, yeah.
Just
हमारे
kidding.
पास
भाई.
भी नहीं है.
Yeah, so all that traction pretty much made us a lot more influential than back then in 2022 at Roger 2.0. You know, because then lots of people started coming up to us for advice and all that, which is good.
Yeah.
But we're not qualified for all of it.
And it was a huge jump क्योंकि 2023 में we were not in the official rankings, but 2 judges ने हमें I think 17.
Yeah, the 2 judges had put us
करा था.
are
अपने separate
pretty much
lists
above
में.
a couple of really good contenders.
Yeah.
Like, you know, Soso and all that. And I think Base Ventura and Match.
Zero की भी tag team.
Yeah, Zero. Yeah, that one. And
Yeah.
then there was one called The Lads, which was Base Ventura and Match,
Hmm.
who we consider really good beatboxers, and
Yeah.
we still scored above them for one judge,
Yeah.
which was crazy to us at the time because our last to last GBB wildcard was
Yeah.
it's quite bad. So I don't know how we placed that high, but the second one I think is much better in terms of our quality because we really sat down for really long making this routine. It was, I think, a good couple of months in the making. Because when we first started making Chaos, which is the routine we used, we were at this marketplace and we decided to. It was near my house. He came to visit and practice, and that's when we were, you know, first actually trying to birth a new routine.
Yeah.
So we were in the marketplace and we were just kind of freestyling. And then we came across one. We were recording it also. We came across one really good patch that we did. It was the. We did it accidentally,
Yeah.
which we thought it was completely nuts because
और इतना perfect timing
it
में
was
था कि
really good.
It was just
what we did in
crazy.
the wildcard does not compare to what we did as the freestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Accidental. Accidental births.
You can,
ठीक है.
guys.
But जतिन भाई, आपने तो इनका कंटेंट देखा है. मतलब how would you assess Skull Crushers?
It's fucking shit.
मेरे को तो काफी क्रेजी लगते हैं. मेरा क्वेश्चन है वैसे इन लोगों
Hmm.
कि जैसे तुम पहले तो नहीं जानते थे एक दूसरे को, ठीक है, तब भी तुम अपना बीट बॉक्स में ग्रो ही कर रहे थे, तो एज अ सोलो बीट बॉक्सर तुमको ज़्यादा ग्रोथ मिला या फिर जब तुम साथ में एक साथ में करने लगे?
I think, okay, I'll answer individually for this. For me, I think I
only answer
no, like I don't want to answer on behalf of him also.
Oh.
Yeah. So I would say it's since we started doing the tag team stuff, I think for me I've preferred it over solo, because I feel like more of my ideas can be fleshed out in tag team, because there's more possibility in a tag team. There's lots more to actually explore dynamically as well, when you have another person to actually help you. A lot of the
you can do 5 sounds at once.
10 actually. Yeah, so actually a lot of our compositions are, a majority of them are mine. Like so we use a lot of parts, like pehle ka ideas, but
मैं तो नहीं सुनता.
putting them together was a much tougher job that like I mostly had to do.
Yeah.
So
Because you thought most of it
Solo
can
battle
be
तो मैं ही
done,
जीत
but
रहा हूँ ना
it
सारी.
can't be done individually. It might need some kind of assistance.
yeah, because the ideas I had were very unorthodox and weird for me also. So trying to put them together was difficult for me also as well. So trying to explain it to another person was also a little difficult, but I got it through eventually.
Part 2 ही बता दे भाई
Yeah.
on behalf of yourself.
Yeah.
मैं बताता हूँ, आपने जैसे पूछा कि सोलो ज़्यादा बेटर लगता है टैग टीम, मेरे लिए डेफिनेटली सोलो.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah. 'Cause he wins everything.
I mean, थोड़ा flex करना पड़ेगा. I've been winning almost all the solo battles happening in Delhi.
Flex.
But it's actually a very big role.
That's difference. गलत routine कर दिया.
मतलब काफी बड़ा रोल है कर्मा का in me winning solo battles. As he's taking all the credit for the tag team, I will take all the credit for me winning the solo battles.
Both are true. I'm not denying. I'm not denying.
It's not false. I think he is actually the backbone of our tag
कलेश
team.
कराने में बैठा है.
And मेरे लिए growth is better in solo.
Yeah.
तो tag team में भी it's just like कि हमारे ideas एक तो बहुत similar होते हैं. Even the flows we come up with हमारे बहुत similar
That's actually
flows
true.
होते हैं.
मतलब both of your styles, no,
Yeah,
they really complement well with each other. मतलब
it does.
हाँ, chemistry
and मतलब I'm not even joking. ये लोग जब से यहाँ पे आए हैं, it is almost telepathic कि मतलब वो कुछ कर रहा है और उसको वो exact same चीज पता कि उसने क्या किया, और उसने कुछ पैटर्न किया है तो वो exactly उस पैटर्न को मतलब imitate कर सकता है. So it's that next level of connection where their beatbox styles match so much, where it is automatically like you saying a sentence and you're completing a sentence.
And in such a short time.
Soulmates.
Yeah.
And in such a short time.
Yeah.
Soulmates.
Yes. I would categorize as
Same.
that makes sense, bro.
Soul crushers.
Channel change.
Soul smashers.
Soul smashers.
And you guys were too focused on your thighs and all. No?
Yeah. Look at this guy.
Thick thighs save lives.
Yeah.
Is that a phrase? Why haven't I heard of
It is.
My
नहीं
God,
है.
you cannot be this old.
नहीं मेरे को पता है.
Okay,
तो
okay.
वो तेरी उम्र की बात नहीं कर रहा.
Okay.
चलिए है.
Save lives. Save
But-
water, bath with neighbor's daughter.
Look at this.
ये कट कर देना.
मेरे साथ बात कर. I am cutting the thing. उधर देख रहा है.
नहीं कट मत करना.
Okay.
ये तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स तो नहीं देखने वाले ना?
मम्मी तो देखी.
देख भी लेंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Sorry आंटी.
मैं बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा लड़का हूँ.
Yeah, we hang out with 30-year-olds.
तन्मय राजपूत from
Tanmay
Delhi.
Raj from Delhi.
Tanny.
Pratik Noir. Okay, यार, get out your fur coat.
But so, मतलब you guys are more
Yeah.
of I guess. यार देख एलएम अपने आप को हमेशा न्यू स्कूल बोलता रहता था. But
असलियत ये है.
अब स्कूल चेंज हो गया है.
स्कूल ही चेंज हो
He goes to a different school.
मतलब उस टाइम पे वो था new
Yeah,
school.
he was pretty new.
But I think your styles that you do in your beatboxing is obviously the newest school.
Newest
Newest
school.
school.
But how do you find it? मतलब the difference between say, see, there is a very basic understanding कि भाई old school beatbox में basic sounds करते थे और वो मतलब बहुत ही uncomplicated था, but new school में we are learning so many new sounds and so many new techniques how to how to build our routines. So do you guys find that logic like good or bad? Like, do you guys enjoy old school beatbox, or do you guys would just want to see more new school and more technical beatbox now?
I think Karma will agree on this with me. I think new school is not more about complexity. I think it's more about having better structure.
Yeah.
And also, I think old school में ज़्यादातर they used to focus on tricks.
Yeah, like
And like हाँ something like that. तो I think ये बहुत prevalent था पहले, but a new school term I think इसलिए बना है क्योंकि it's a very new era of beatboxers जो who understand music. I wouldn't say better, but maybe
in a
with
different
more,
way.
Yeah, in a different way with more passion, I guess. I don't know. जो old school beatboxer हैं, I'll give you an example. जैसे Napalm, he revolutionized lip rolls, है ना?
Yeah.
Ballsy, Napalm, and Alem.
All
technicalities.
examples here.
Technical beatboxers, the best technical beatboxers are Skiller, Alem, and all. So I think उनके styles में it was very not linear, but like उनका style was उनका style. But we can learn from different styles, and we can actually learn all of that, you know, inculcate in our own routine and in our own style. That is the Footbox G sound. But it is very prevalent in our Chaos ka wildcard. Karma is using in a patch.
Can we have a drop from Chaos?
we just did it in the beginning.
Oh, okay.
We did the second one again.
You only did the first drop.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
let's do the second one.
1, 2, 3, go.
Crazy.
Okay, beta.
Do you guys think ABX is say
Good?
if not the best, one of the best beatboxers in this country?
Not country, I would say the world.
The
One
world.
of the best beatboxers in the
I
world.
unfortunately disagree. I don't think he's the best beatboxer.
One of the
I think
best.
he's the most unique beatboxer.
I would still say one of the
I
best.
think his thought process is pretty much four-dimensional. It's completely out. It's
yeah,
out
because
of.
the,
He does stuff you would never think of.
It's not very common.
How the hell do you think of?
That's true.
I would never have thought of that
Same.
ever. When he performed it live, my mind was blown. I
Like-
fell to the
Yeah.
floor. I was like,
Still, we both are like somewhat textbook structure beatboxers.
yeah.
But ABX is not at all. Yeah, like
He's
a-
unconventional.
Yes,
That's
ये वाला
that's the
proper
word.
explanation
Unconventional is the word.
And I would say, matlab,
Yes.
a couple of months back, obviously, we had the 2024 Delhi Beatbox Championship, and the finals was between ABX and Poverty.
I literally went into poverty after that
Losing.
battle.
No, matlab, that battle for me was like before the extra draw that happened, and then all of that happened.
Is that
Before
being is that being shown in the
Huh?
is that being shown in the video
It can be.
when you upload it? Because I've already uploaded it. It's unlisted.
The finals,
the overtime round, yeah.
the overtime
Yeah.
round. Oh,
It's
okay.
unlisted though. Like
Yeah.
It's
no
fine.
one
The
can-
If it's not in the video, then I'm
when the finals come out, no,
yeah.
then you can just put.
Okay,
it.
that's why it's unlisted.
It's 30th को finals आ रहा है.
Let's go.
So,
In 2 days,
but
watch me lose.
watch me
that
win.
battle that you had with ABX before the extra जो rounds थे, मतलब for me that was like, मतलब for sure the best battle in India that I have seen
Agreed.
in a while. मतलब the quality of beatboxing जो थी ना भाई, वो बहुत ही मजा आया था मेरे को तो.
बट तुम लोग को लगता है कि उसको मतलब कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट है उसकी बीटबॉक्सिंग में, अभी स्कोप है कि नहीं?
I think Collapse said it on his live stream once when he reacted to his Florida wildcard that what he I mean I'd half agree, half not, because I think that's what really makes ABX special is that he doesn't really have a segue into his other combos. So like if let's take example from the Florida wildcard, he does that technical combo in the middle. That's what Collapse was very confused about, because he was like, there's no smooth segue into that. he goes back into it. I think that there was a certain charm to it, in my opinion. But for people like from outside our own social groups and all that, who know ABX like that, they don't really understand why he chose to do it like that, and they don't really agree that it would sound good because it's not a smooth segue, which is a debatable topic. I mean, segues don't have to be smooth all the time.
ये सब ना उस पे भी depend करते कि what kind of music you listen.
Exactly.
Yeah, ABX's music taste is very niche.
explosive and like it's very different from what
wide है, बहुत wide
Yeah.
range है, because he मतलब जैसे वो classical भी सुनता है, Indian classical.
हाँ,
है ना?
definitely.
Ghazal और ये.
Yeah.
तो उसको जब वो electronic और like modern music में mix करता है, तो कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो बेसिकली टॉप नॉच जजेस भी हैं जैसे कोलैब्स एंड ऑल, उनको वो चीजें समझ नहीं आती बिकॉज
पॉइंट
उन्होंने कभी इंडियन क्लासिकल नहीं सुना है
हाँ
Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल से, इन माय ओपिनियन.
मतलब विच आई थॉट हमारे जो क्रू का वाइल्ड कार्ड था उसमें भी हमें लगा था कि मतलब
I agree.
Yeah, I
इतना
agree.
नहीं
Oh,
सुनेंगे,
shit.
but
There was
देख,
just
I
very
thought-
lack of education.
I thought there were मतलब कमियां हमारे वाइल्ड कार्ड में जो बाद में हमको लगता है कि हाँ फर्स्ट ड्रॉप थोड़ा और अच्छा होना चाहिए था एंड ऑल दैट. डिस्पाइट दैट हमें ये भी लगा था कि यार क्या पता उनको समझ नहीं आएगा ये म्यूजिक, जितना वो सुंदर साउंड कर रहा था क्या पता नहीं समझ आया होगा. बट ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन, एवरीबडी हैज डिफरेंट टेस्ट.
Yeah. I mean, you don't have to like Indian traditional music and all that.
it's not
So
But you should like have a basic
no, they don't
knowledge
understand it.
ऑल वी नीड
बट
इज अ
हाँ
जज
बेसिक
इन
नॉलेज
इंडियन जज इन जीबीपी.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जब हमारे वीडियो पे रिएक्ट हो रहा था तो जीन ने वो चीज अप्रिशिएट किया.
Yeah, because he understands. He's very in tune with music theory and all that.
Yeah.
He understands.
We love Gene.
We love Gene Shinozaki. Konnichiwa. They don't do this. I don't know why I did that.
सो आई गेस मेरे ख्याल से मतलब इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि मतलब अगर बीट बॉक्स म्यूजिक के टुवर्ड्स जा रहा है तो इट शुड बी ओपन टू एवरी जॉनरा, जैसे इंडियन क्लासिकल भी. तो जो वर्ल्ड वाइड जो म्यूजिक जॉनरास हैं सिर्फ उसी को सुन के अगर तुम बीट बॉक्स को भी जज करोगे तो आई गेस ABX जैसे बीट बॉक्सर्स पीछे ही रहेंगे.
अरे मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि
Objectively,
उनके
that might be possible. आप
उनके
बोलो.
जजिंग पैनल में एक इंडियन बीट बॉक्सर होना चाहिए, दैट्स ऑल. उससे
I think
फर्क
so,
पड़
yeah.
जाएगा.
DVK.
DVK.
नहीं, दिलीप भी तो है.
हाँ,
Dilip.
definitely.
या
Dilip. Dilip.
I don't think
Who है Dilip?
दिलीप बोलते हैं दिलीप बोलते हैं.
Pillid.
Yo, this is Pillid.
But so as we're moving मतलब आगे in terms of this beatboxing thing, अब मैंने I've explained to you like what our kind of vision is for us, for the Delhi beatbox community, also like how we want to grow in that space. Do you see matlab the beatboxing space in India growing to the level of a Swiss beatbox, or even matlab I know for a fact कि चाइना में beatbox community बहुत बड़ा है, और I know कि जापान में काफ़ी मतलब अच्छे बीट बॉक्सर्स हैं. इंडोनेशिया में इतना बड़ा बीट बॉक्सिंग कम्युनिटी है. मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ सारे SBX लेवल जितने ऑर्गेनाइज तक पहुंच चुके हैं, बट बिकॉज इंडिया में अभी धीरे धीरे बीट बॉक्सिंग का मतलब कल्चर और अवेयरनेस, बेसिक अवेयरनेस क्योंकि बढ़ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल लाइक DVK, बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल लाइक Decipher and all of these guys who are doing beatboxing in the mainstream. मतलब do you see this beatboxing niche grow into something more?
Honestly, I do see it, but not anytime soon. Maybe देखो, I'll tell you what, कि बाहर ना international scene में exposure बहुत ज़्यादा है. People do support children and like kids who are into arts and all. थोड़ा stereotypical mindset आता है Indian parents के साथ. My parents are very supportive, but I think most of the parents do seek security. क्योंकि this right now as an art form is not secure in terms of monetary terms basically. तो उस factor में I think it's not like very secure right now, but definitely in the future I see it because as education का rate is increasing and people are learning more about different genres of music, different art forms like beatbox. पहले लोगों को b-boying भी नहीं पता होता था क्या होता है.
जतिन भाई को नहीं पता.
मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
मैं तो था भाई.
जतिन एक्चुअली b-boy था पहले.
Oh shit.
Shots.
तो हाँ आई थिंक इट विल ग्रो बट इट विल टेक सम टाइम. बट अगेन जैसे आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, बाहर स्ट्रीट बस्किंग का बहुत वो होता है फॉर्मेट. इंडिया में आई डोंट सी इट एनीवेयर. इंडिया में आई डोंट सी एनी बीट बॉक्सर स्ट्रीट बस्किंग. जैसे सीपी इज वेरी बिग, कनॉट प्लेस, वहाँ पे आई बेयरली सी एनीवन हु इज बीट बॉक्सिंग.
एक बार हमने ट्राई किया था बस्किंग वहाँ पे, तो हमको पुलिस
Exactly.
वालों ने बोला कि आप यहाँ से चले जाओ.
I would actually, I think, disagree by a huge margin because you said will the beatbox scene in India at least get to like an SBX level? So by that I think I'm going to assume you mean in international kind of space or like
that's the
the
reference,
recognition you mean.
that's the reference that we have.
Yeah,
like
so-
successfully they have created an industry.
Yeah. So from
And that's the reference that we have.
It's
that we
okay,
can
so-
achieve and strive for.
So with that reference, right now I don't think so because right now there's this huge problem that people have with Indians as like generally Indians because internationally and nationally also lots of Indians also just hate Indians. So lots of people have very stereotypical and really crude remarks about Indians. You know, they see them on the street and they're like curry boy and all that nonsense, right? So right now that's extremely prevalent. And so giving people the basic human respect should probably come first before we actually get any recognition as music artists as well, because we will only be recognized as Indian traditional artists. You know, known for playing sitars and all that stuff. Beatboxing already is so new. Even internationally, it was what, only a like couple of decades old or something.
Yeah.
And beatboxing is very new. So you compare that with like the hatred some people have for Indians, which is the majority of people.
That is true.
You go online and you talk to anybody. Worst place to do that is on Instagram. Everybody will find a way to hate on an Indian person for literally no reason.
I guess ये similar example हनुमान काइंड का जो वीडियो था.
Yeah.
I guess
बहुत ज़्यादा
Despite the overwhelming support from the international community, the other half was shitting on him.
Exactly.
I can smell his
Just
sweat from
I
this
can
video.
smell. The worst part is the smell part. They think we smell bad all the time.
मेरा
बिल्कुल.
So it's all this stereotypical
Perfect
stuff
reply.
that pushes us back.
See, I'm gonna come back to beatboxing and why I think I disagree a little bit with you is कि भाई क्या सीन है ना, मतलब अभी किसी को स्कोप नहीं पता है.
Yeah.
ऐसे even if you are saying that parents are not encouraging maybe their kids to learn beatboxing as they do with say other arts, is because वो स्कोप है नहीं, मतलब वो स्कोप हमने बनाया ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
समझ रहे हो कि आई एम सेइंग कि in terms of nationally,
Yeah.
if there is a way that we ourselves, because we recognize beatboxing, maybe in 10 years time when you guys have more means to do more things in life, when you're earning and whatnot, matlab it's like a cycle. Like we can either come to that cycle where just like हाँ कुछ नहीं होगा, and then next generation भी बोलेगा ये कुछ नहीं है, इसमें ज़्यादा पैसा तो है ही नहीं, क्या करेंगे. So there comes a point where somebody or some group of people just goes like कि हम बनाते हैं ना अपना खुद का. Like for example, SBX में it's not just about beatboxing which makes money.
Yeah.
It's about the video guys who make money. It's about the audio people who make the money. It's about the promoters and the marketers who work for SBX who makes the money. तो मतलब उसमें different avenues खुल जाते हैं ना. If you create that kind of industry for yourself. Because we're such a large population and उसमें कई सारे beatboxers year on year बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में भी हम देख रहे हैं कि ईयर ऑन ईयर बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं ना. कोई नया बंदा तो आता ही है. हमारे कम्युनिटी मीट्स में जैसे वो लड़का आया था Gbox 10, शाउट आउट. तो दैट्स अ
How old is he actually?
he was
10 or something.
हाँ मतलब उतना ही.
He's
really
Yeah,
good
yeah,
for 10 years
yeah,
old.
He is actually.
For a
तो
10-year-old,
मतलब
he's
हर
really
साल,
good.
like you've seen how I remember how Immortal came up. He was considered prodigy and वो छोटा सा ही था. तो फिर वो
Shout out to Shashwat.
shout out to Immortal. तो मतलब
Shashwat.
it's only about us creating that kind of industry for ourselves.
Yeah.
And then making people believe that this is a legit thing. क्योंकि मेरे को अभी तक यही स्ट्रगल होता था सोच के कि यार हम इतने लेजिटिमेट है ही नहीं. पहले तो हिप हॉप को भी इतना लेजिटिमेट नहीं मानते थे ना, पहले तो रैप को भी इतना लेजिटिमेट मानते थे, अब तो उसकी पूरी फकिंग इंडस्ट्री खड़ी हो चुकी है जिसमें बहुत पैसा है लोगों के पास.
क्रेजी.
तो एज इन व्हाई नॉट दैट फॉर समथिंग लाइक बीट बॉक्सिंग. अगर हमारे पास इतना कन्विक्शन है कि हम वो स्पेस खड़ा कर सकते हैं, then I think there is money for it as well. And if not that space, then at least we have the experience of trying to build something and then learning from that. Kyunki if, for example, Karma does filmmaking, so firstly let me plug in
Prod by
Karma
Vodka.
and let him explain what he does and let him plug in the
Plug-in Logic Pro. So I am an aspiring filmmaker and wow. Yeah. So and so I've been learning at college filmmaking and all that, and I've paired up with Sudarshan as a small film account.
Who's another beatboxer? by the way?
Another beatboxer. It's too late. And so then we made a channel called Sudoku Films. And over there we'll upload any productions by either of us, directed by him or me, edited by either of us, whatever. And then I have another channel with Bhargav, who is probably going to mix this audio, and and he's the one who hosted this recent competition called Rewind 2, where a lot of people participated. It was really cool. The prize pool was 30,000.
Beatbox community.
Shout out to Vadodara Beatbox community. Oh. Yeah, and so and so yeah, so we made a company, or at least a startup called Prod by Vodka, where we offer editing and audio mixing services for much lower prices than industry standard. So
that's the appeal.
That is the appeal. That's why we get so many customers.
So that's what I'm trying to say कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि you are just picking up a mic and just beatboxing and making people
Yeah, you pick up a lot of stuff.
You can do, I think we can do a lot of things within this space also. Like be it audio mixing or like vocals ka mix karna is not an easy talent.
I watched
vocals
Bhargav
ka mix
do it.
karna
It's not.
is not an easy thing to do, and that any industry people will tell you.
Yeah.
So and doing that with beatboxing, which is sometimes very complex because बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसमें तुम्हें कंसिडर करनी पड़ती है. तो हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट, हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस इन शूटिंग से फॉर एग्जांपल अ म्यूजिक वीडियो. अब तुम चाहे एक बीट बॉक्सर के लिए म्यूजिक वीडियो शूट कर रहे हो या किसी के लिए भी कर रहे हो, वो एक म्यूजिक वीडियो शूट कर रहे हो, उसमें भी तुम्हारा एक थीम लगेगा, उसमें भी तुम्हारे जो भी इक्विपमेंट लगेंगे, जितना भी तुम्हें उसमें टेक्निकल नॉलेज होना चाहिए वो तुम्हें होना ही पड़ेगा. तो आई थिंक देयर इज अ स्पेस देयर फॉर द आर्ट्स टू ग्रो, बिकॉज उसी से फिर तुम एक्सपीरियंस लेके और मतलब देख सकते हो.
I would want to add one more point. देखो ग्रोथ हम अपनी साइड से तो डेफिनेटली कर ही सकते हैं. वी कैन वर्क इन दीज फील्ड्स जैसे आपने बताया, बट जैसे ही मेंशन्ड कि रेसिज्म होता है, आई थिंक मॉकरी भी बहुत होती है. जैसे मैंने जब अपना कॉलेज ज्वाइन करा था तो मैंने फ्रेशर्स में फर्स्ट टाइम बीट बॉक्स करा था ऑन अ स्टेज. दैट वाज लाइक माय फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस. तो
Is that what you performed?
No. That was my first ever wild card for GBB 2021. It's really bad. So basically I performed there and I actually became the fresher of my department. So people were disagreeing, अबे ये क्या पादों की आवाज निकाल के बन गया and all. That is straight up mockery and disrespect, which is not at all right. People are not opening their minds enough, I think.
And we're all mad at the ones who do fucking moan beatbox.
Exactly.
That one chubby
fat
dude who
guy.
makes
Not chubby, fat.
that one huge dude who does I want to kill that guy.
उससे हाँ मजाक तो बनता है उससे, मतलब
बहुत मजा. Have you seen the comments on those?
हाँ, people literally ask me, अरे भाई
Jonker
moan
beatbox
करके
when
देखा?
is everybody's
अरे
comment.
भाई blow job beatbox करके देखा? What the fuck is that?
What is this dude?
which is but see, there is a debate on that, on how beatboxing को use कर रहे हो as just content making and then beatboxing को use कर रहे हो as मतलब proper.
Yeah, see, like I'm all for it being used as a performative act. That's literally what it's supposed to be. But when it becomes a gimmick, it's when it's like उसका mockery बन जाता है, because then you start making it look really stupid. Some good examples are Spencer X, who's thankfully well aware of how cringe he is, except for that frat guy.
Why so serious?
Why so serious?
यही चल रहा है उसका.
That's
See,
shit.
beatbox पहला मैं hate नहीं करता because हिसको आता है, विंग को आता है, सबको आता है, उसमें अच्छा
नहीं, वो
beatbox
बात
मैं
ठीक है.
जानता हूँ. वो अगर कोई guess the sound वगैरह कुछ करते हैं तो मेरे को उसमें मतलब कुछ गलत भी नहीं लगता because
But I
I
guess-
know it's performative,
Yeah.
but I also know that it's fucking his.
Yeah, it's
And
it's
it's fucking
his, Huckle and Jackpot together. Those are some of the best beatboxers in the world. And
Yeah.
if they want to make cringe content, I'll let them.
Like I'm all for it, bro.
Go for it, dude.
जो कि हम भी करते हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ, नहीं but
They get big views for it too.
यार प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो मेन स्ट्रीम इंडस्ट्री है उसमें यही चीजें एक्सेप्टेड है
Hmm.
एंड मतलब दैट्स हाउ जनरल ऑडियंस सी बीट बॉक्स है ना. तो लाइक अब एक थिन लाइन क्रिएट हो चुकी है कि एक हो गया क्रिंज कंटेंट जो चलता है एंड एक दूसरा पार्ट हो गया कि जो धारनी एंड ये सब जो कर रहे हैं मेन स्ट्रीम में.
Dharni.
तो ये सब जो बीट बॉक्स कर रहे हैं तो यही दो चीज़ें हैं. या तो तुम एकदम ही क्रिंज हो जाओ या तो जो मेन स्ट्रीम ऑडियंस जो मेन स्ट्रीम म्यूजिक जो धानी और जो भी कौन है मुझे नहीं पता जो रील्स कर रहे हैं स्पेंसर एक्स और ये सब.
भाई beatbox
बात
जेकॉब भी तो
ये
करता
use
है
कर
क्या?
रहे हैं. Yeah.
But वो इतना अच्छा beatboxer है ना.
हाँ
Come on.
Beatbox जेकॉब.
Jacob.
Oh yeah, Jacob is really good. I like that guy. He's a bit cringe sometimes, but I like him.
But the sounds are really good and he's a
Have you
good
seen
beatboxer.
have you seen those sound design videos he does? वो जो movie का clip होता है, and then he's making all the Foley का sound. It's
हाँ
really
एग्जैक्टली
good.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि ये
That is when it's the usage is
Yeah, it's
Because
quality
he is really
content.
good, भाई.
yeah.
He is a really good
That's when it's properly used for what it is. It's amazing stuff for literally everything.
Jatin bhai, where do you stand?
He's sitting.
मतलब क्या पूछ रहे हो आप मेरे से?
मतलब तेरे को ये जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम भी कभी कभी कंटेंट बनाते हैं जस्ट फॉर लाइक वो साउंड इमिटेशन का हमने किया या फिर गेस द गेम किया वर्सेस हम प्रॉपर बीट बॉक्सिंग के रूटीन्स ही डालें या फिर कवर्स डालें जिसमें हम हेविली फोकस्ड ऑन बीट बॉक्स कर रहे हैं. मतलब विच वन इज मोर लेजिटिमेट और मतलब विच वन वुड यू रादर प्रेफर और डू यू हैव एनी ओपिनियन ऑन ईदर वन?
नहीं, एक बैलेंस तो क्रिएट करना ही पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि ज़रूरत है वो चीज़ रीच के लिए ना. बाकी अपना ओरिजिनल कंटेंट साथ में डालते रहो और अपनी जो डिग्निटी है उसको मेंटेन करते
हाँ
Agreed.
वी आर इन द एज ऑफ कि हमको रीच चाहिए होती है क्योंकि इंडिया में तो बहुत रीच का सिस्टम ही खराब है.
भाई जो हमारी तबलाग्राम के साथ वीडियो है
Hmm.
वो इतने लोगों ने देख लिया है कि मतलब मैं जिम जाता हूँ ना तो हर तीसरे दिन मेरे से कोई पूछ लेता है भाई आप यही हो क्या. मेरे को रील दिखा देता है भाई आप
हाँ,
यही हो क्या.
exactly.
मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ भाई मैं यही हूँ. मतलब वो इतने लोगों के पास चले
में
गए.
पहुंच गए ना उसके व्यूज.
हमारे पास इतना we don't have as much reach as you guys have, but after we posted our GBB wildcard, when I was on the metro, some guy noticed me, and he was like, "Is this you?" He stopped me. He was like, "Is this you?" And he was like, "Yeah, that's me."
I don't think गाजियाबाद में कोई बीट
Gaja.
तो एग्जैक्टली
Yeah.
मैं यही चीज कह रहा हूँ कि इंडिया में क्रिंज कंटेंट की जरूरत है बट एक जैसे जतिन ने बोला डिग्निटी के साथ.
Okay.
Shout out to
Dignity
प्रियांक
के
एंड ड्रिफ्टर, वो भी गाजियाबाद के हैं.
यार बीट बॉक्स कम्युनिटी को मतलब समझना चाहिए कि सिर्फ उस बबल में रहने से कुछ नहीं होगा. थोड़ा सा
Scam crash.
बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा तभी कम्युनिटी फॉर द कम्युनिटी तुमको थोड़ा सा मेन स्ट्रीम में आना
वही तो
पड़ेगा.
स्पेस है जो अभी तक आई डोंट थिंक अच्छे से मतलब एक्सप्लोर हुआ है इंडिया में, जो मतलब हम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बट वही जो स्पेस जिसमें हम घुस सकते हैं और हम अपना एक मतलब मार्केट बना सकते हैं अपने के लिए. हाँ, श्योर, दैट वर्ड.
That used to be my old beatbox name.
Aura.
Yeah.
Aura used to be your beatbox name.
Yeah, it used to be my stage name, bro. It was so
इनको तो पता है
ass.
मेरा क्या था.
क्या था
PSA.
ओ PSA.
Pahad
Problem
Sarsi
solving
Arora.
assessment.
मेरे को कर्मा का रियल नाम कर्मा ही है क्या?
Yes.
मेरे को लगा था कि कुछ और
You
हो.
have asked me this question before.
मेरे को अब वो
DVC में पूछे थे आपने.
अच्छा.
कर्मा ताशी.
अच्छा मेरे को लगा इसका नाम कर्मा शिजोनाकी शिनोजाकी.
Shinzo Naki. I want this to be my name now. तगड़ा नाम.
शिनोजाकी.
Shinozaki.
ऑल्सो जो आपने पॉइंट मेंशन करा, मैं एक पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि मेन स्ट्रीम कंटेंट में मैट ट्विन्स का एग्जांपल लेता हूँ.
Oh.
They
Yeah,
are
exactly.
creating like pretty complex.
भाई example of Matt Twins right here.
Let's do it. Matt.
they are creating complex stuff, but it's also mainstream. I think they're creating the right balance.
What is that mix?
हाँ,
bro?
it's
मतलब
really,
क्या?
really
It's really nicely
top-notch.
produced
It's
stuff.
top-notch. Really good.
Is there some secret to it? मतलब
Post production.
मतलब
Definitely
obviously.
post production तो है ही, definitely. वो
मतलब
I mean, that's the
post-production
easiest
है.
way to
लेकिन किस
explain what it is.
level
It's all
की-
post production.
But level भी तो है.
But I guess
level भी तो है.
sound sampling से
Yeah, it's mostly sound sampling.
It is.
It's not.
Every single
हाँ
sound is different recordings and then sampled and then
Yes.
हाँ,
mixed
वैसे.
different.
Put together.
Stuff that's
stacked
in
up
succession,
together.
they'll do it in like one take and then they'll go on to the next combo.
Yeah.
भाई,
But again,
इसमें
it's
बहुत
very
मेहनत है भाई.
high level.
They
It's
pitch
so
it
high
and all
level
that
कि-
stuff. It's
हाँ,
heavy
That's
work.
fine. मतलब they do it.
No, I'm saying it's part
I
of the
mean,
post
for me,
production process.
that's like जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि यार ये अच्छा नहीं गा रहा है, ये तो ऑटो ट्यून है या फिर वो है. But फिर जो जिसने बंदे ने ऑटो ट्यून किया है उसमें भी तो स्किल है ना.
हाँ exactly.
मेरे को तो वो लगता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल टी-पेन जब वो
बहुत अच्छा
आया था
vocalist है.
तब सब कहते हैं ऑटो ट्यून ऑटो ट्यून ऑटो ट्यून. जब वो उसको जनरली सुनोगे इतना अच्छा वोकलिस्ट है वो.
Yeah, no, he's really
But
good.
the point is कि when he
T-Pain.
T-Pain, I've heard of this guy.
oh god
He looks like Stevie Wonder.
हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि ये
नहीं
बहुत
पता
young
मुझे.
है दोनों.
oh god
I know who
नहीं
T-Pain
but
is.
हाँ कर्मा knows who.
I know who T-Pain is. Don't put me in the
गाजियाबाद
same
का होना
category
है.
as this guy.
So when Sabrina Carpenter sings
Espresso.
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 That तो he knows.
wait what kind of music do you guys listen to?
इसका बहुत different taste है मेरा.
I
different taste.
basically listen to everything.
Shizonaki music.
Shinzonaki. Yeah, but my current music taste right now is like it's like if ABX was put into a produced track. That's basically what it is. Mostly EDM stuff. It's and all the subgenres within it. He only showed them to me in his car. So,
Yeah, whenever he comes to my place, हम अपनी गाड़ी में बैठते हैं और we blast music and whatever I have in mind मैं उसको सुनाता हूँ.
Yeah.
And that is also how we. नहीं आज तो मेट्रो
Diesel car he has, he can't drive it.
Grab 4, Grab 3, whatever.
Graph
मतलब
four,
it is
अभी तो Grab 5 है.
nice
तो
try, Didi.
मैं जो म्यूजिक सुनता हूँ it is very related to what I beatbox. I listen to EDM, I listen to rhythm, I also listen to glitch, if you can call it.
big rhythm fan.
Rhythm is
Basically
crazy.
basically EDM music.
Yes. EDM में I was telling the subgenres.
हाँ.
Subgenres.
Shab genre.
Shinzozaki.
तो हाँ, I also listen to not classical but like old Bollywood songs.
Nice.
So like मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आता है.
Complete opposite.
एक second what is old Bollywood song for you?
Yeah, wait, what is old Bollywood
Good question.
song?
किशोर कुमार, मोहम्मद रफी and all.
अच्छा.
अगर ये भी कुछ होता है बोल देना.
I don't know anything Bollywood, so I have no idea.
You don't listen to Bollywood?
I didn't grow up with it, so no.
Okay,
Yeah. We speak English at home.
that's fair.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
वो दिखा-
Are you Indian?
भाई तो NRI तो नहीं है.
Half Tibetan.
नहीं मजाक. Oh damn. नहीं मैं मजाक कर रहा था भाई.
Oh, damn. Shit.
ये ना यही करेगा अभी बोलेगा कि यार you half smell bad. नहीं ये मजाक कर रहा था यार.
Oh damn.
Oh, damn.
यार नहीं
ना करो।
मेरे पास ना एक पार्थ के लिए क्वेश्चन है.
Oh.
हाँ तो मतलब as you said कि मतलब तेरे को सोलो बीटबॉक्स में ज्यादा
ग्रोथ मिला है.
हाँ ग्रोथ मिला तेरे को. बट मतलब तेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि यू आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन इंडिया. ठीक है. एंड जब तू दिल्ली में बीट बॉक्स करता है लाइक एज अ सोलो आर्टिस्ट तो तेरे को मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि तू फाइनल या फिर जीत सकता है फाइनल्स या फिर ठीक है. बट देयर आर फ्यू केसेस कि तेरे को मतलब ये होता है कि तू हार गया तो मतलब इन जनरल तेरे को कैसा फील होता है उस टाइम पे कि बिकॉज तेरे को ऐसा कभी
How do you feel to lose once in a while is this question.
हाँ या
ओके. बुरा फील होता है.
हाँ
बट इस बात का बुरा फील नहीं होता कि सामने वाले ने हरा दिया. इस बात का बुरा फील होता है कि आई वॉज अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड. जैसे आई टेल यू DBC में क्या हुआ था. ABX तक पहुंचने तक आई वॉज सो एग्जॉस्टेड कि मैंने गलती कर दी. कुछ ना कुछ मैसअप कर दिया राउंड में. ओवर टाइम तक तब भी पहुंच गया एंड आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दी ओवर टाइम. और आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट ऑल्सो कि फाइनल्स में ओवर टाइम होगा बट इवेंचुअली इट हैपेंड. तो उस मोमेंट के बाद दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग टर्निंग पॉइंट, क्योंकि आई एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर्ड अ लॉट फॉर डीबीसी दिस टाइम. क्योंकि लास्ट 2022 में जो डीबीसी हुआ था, आई केम टॉप 16 विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन एंड आई वाज हैविंग अ कोल्ड. तो आई थॉट कि मे बी आई हैव समथिंग इन मी जिसमें मैं करता रहूं तो आई कैन डू समथिंग. Pratik bhai is too dirty right now.
No, I know. I did
Both
this.
of
I
them.
did this. I did this in front of him.
Okay.
मैं इनसे पूछा था कि इनके पेरेंट्स देखने वाले और ये हरकतें कर.
तो बुरा लगता है,
Sorry,
but
auntie.
it's after all it's a lesson that I learn, and when I lose थोड़ा मतलब खुद पे गुस्सा आता है कि shit यार ये कर देता नहीं हारता, ऐसा कुछ फील होता है.
And
But
ये हर बार मेरे साथ होता है.
but I definitely learn every time. ये है.
ठीक है.
But both of your तुम्हारा जो battle था in DBC, I mean those battles with ABX that both of you guys did, I think honestly one of those high quality मतलब battles that we have seen.
Even though we both lost.
वो अलग बात, but
ABX ने इनके स्कल क्रश कर दी.
जम्मू
But बहुत
क्रश.
सही
Just
battles
kidding
थे.
वैसे. हाँ.
anyone else has any other questions?
तो मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि तूने बोला कि तू हर बार सीखता है कुछ ना कुछ.
हाँ जी.
तो DBC 24 से तूने क्या सीखा?
DBC 24 के लॉस से सबसे बड़ी चीज मैंने ये सीखी कि आई शुड वर्क ऑन माई स्टैमिना. हाँ आई नो अभी थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ गया हूँ, बट
ठंडा.
आई मीन
Bit warm.
गरम.
Like
तो
that.
ये नहीं डिसाइड किया कि ओवर टाइम राउंड के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है?
अब मेरे पास, मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ, मैं अब कोई न्यू रूटीन नहीं बनाने वाला. आई हैव लाइक 2-3 मोर रूटीन्स, उसके बाद आई एम स्टॉपिंग. मुझे बस पॉलिश करने अपने रूटीन्स जो मेरे पास अभी हैं. तो दैट इज अनदर वे ऑफ इम्प्रूविंग.
Yeah, he has like 17 or something.
15.
ठीक है. बट जैसे तेरी ये लॉसेस हैं, ये तेरी जो पर्सनल लाइफ है उन पे कुछ इफेक्ट, जैसे तेरा कॉलेज एंड ऑल, तेरे असाइनमेंट्स, मतलब इन सब पे कुछ इफेक्ट पड़ता है?
इतनी गहराई में जा रहा है.
Battles, yes. I have to sometimes miss my college. I have to.
नहीं, मैं लॉसेस की बात
अच्छा,
कर रहा हूँ.
losses
जैसे
की बात
लॉसेस
कर
के
रहे हो.
बाद जो आफ्टर इफेक्ट.
नहीं.
आफ्टर मैच भाई.
After all,
Emotional damage.
नहीं. After all, it's an art form that I'm doing for myself. तो और किसी एक्सटर्नल चीज पे उसका फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मुझ पे पड़ता है, which I work on. एंड जैसे हम न्यू रूटीन्स आई एम मेकिंग, मैं ये दिमाग में जरूर रखता हूँ कि ये स्टेज पे कैसा साउंड करेगा. वाइल्ड कार्ड में आई डोंट यूजुअली थिंक ऑफ दैट, बट हमेशा व्हेन आई एम कमिंग अप विद न्यू आइडियाज, व्हेन आई एम फ्री स्टाइलिंग, व्हेन आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग माइक पे या कुछ, तो मैं डेफिनेटली क्या करता हूँ, एक मैंने नई आदत सीखी है. दिस इज थ्रू टिया. उसने मुझे ये करने के लिए बताया था कि व्हेनेवर आई
एंड हु इज टिया?
टिया इज माई गर्लफ्रेंड. तो उसने मुझे ये बताया था कि whenever I am making a mistake, जैसे मेरा रूटीन है सबसे recent, which I will be releasing out soon. It's called Breaking Your Bones, जो मैंने आपके अगेंस्ट करा था 7 to Smoke में. हाँ, तो उसका एक सेगमेंट आता है, बहुत मुश्किल है. There is a transition to a drop, ऐसे. Breaking your bones like. यहाँ पे जब आई वॉज प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस रूटीन, यहीं पे बार बार गलती हो रही थी. 7-8 टाइम्स मुझसे गलती हुई एंड आई हैड टू रीस्टार्ट इट. तो ये एक आदत मैंने डाली है कि जब भी जहाँ पे जितनी भी जल्दी कोई गलती हो, आई विल रीस्टार्ट द रूटीन एंड आई विल स्टिल डू इट जब तक मुझसे परफेक्ट टेक नहीं होगा. दैट इज हाउ आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन माई रूटीन्स राइट नाउ.
All right. I think that's very long-ish episode now, and I think we can stop here. Huh? All right, we can wrap it up. So, okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you, Skull Crushers, for being
Thank you
here.
for inviting us.
Amazing beatboxers. Please check them out. They are one of the finest beatboxers in India and the world.
अच्छा, मेरे को एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना है वैसे. मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन
पूछना तो मुझे भी था.
पूछ.
पूछना तो मुझे भी था. तो तू कह रहा था कि तू पॉलिश करेगा अपना रूटीन.
हाँ,
तो उस
बहुत फेल हो गया है. अरे
कोई बात नहीं यार, 2 क्वेश्चंस बचे, लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस.
और मैं अभी तक इधर बैठा हूँ.
तो उस पॉलिश करने का मतलब क्या है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में.
इतना प्रैक्टिस करना कि कोई गलती ना हो, स्टेज पे, घर पे, कहीं पे भी, लाइव परफॉर्मेंस में भी, कि इतना मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँ उस रूटीन को कि एक एरर ना हो कभी भी, कितना भी बड़ा ओपोनेंट सामने हो.
तो तूने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि जो तेरे रूटीन्स हैं वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे हैं?
Yes, I think.
ओके,
I think at least the recent ones I'm making, they are pretty high level कि I can reach an international stage through them.
गुड.
ठीक है. मैं पूछने वाला था कि where do you guys see yourself in मतलब next 5 years? आसन ये समक्ष हमेशा पूछता है, but ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए because you guys are doing pretty good. तो मतलब
इंटरव्यू.
और मैं यहाँ पर वेला बैठा हूँ.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, वेला बैठे हो, बट क्या लगता है तुम्हें कि स्कल क्रशर्स आगे पुश हो सकता है? लाइक
हो सकता है.
GBB and world champs definitely.
मैं इन जनरल पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब
As I think
apart from
Individual.
नहीं,
As-
इंडिविजुअली भी नहीं.
हाँ.
as a tag team we can also become a brand.
हाँ.
Skull
right.
Crushers.
हाँ.
We can. जैसे Rogue Wave है, they are putting out quality content. We will be definitely doing that once we have the funds for it. एक बार हमारा थोड़ा पैसा हम कमा ले. But हाँ, definitely I think I do see ourselves becoming like one of the best tag teams in the world, and also like we have that chemistry also and that deep friendship. So I think we do
deep friendship. Deep Bimani.
so definitely like we might be like a very mainstream as well as a very technically good in beatbox tag team which can be performing all over the world, not only as a beatbox competitive tag team but also as performers.
Yeah.
All right.
अब
On
मेरे
that,
पास एक और क्वेश्चन नहीं बता.
They finally have a question for me, guys. Let's go.
नहीं ठीक है. वो तो edit में देख लेंगे. But okay, so we'll wrap it up now. Thank you, Skull Crushers, once again for being here, and big up Skull Crushers each and every time. One of the finest beatboxers in the country and the world. Ash bhai,
ये
let's
finest
go.
in the world. ये finest in the world है. पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है.
Oh,